Is this window visible to everyone? Word processing window is visible. These MCQs. All right. We are to discuss these MCQs today, and whosoever knows the answer will just raise the hand, right? But if you have to give the answer, you have to on your video, then you have to give the answer. ICT stands for Information and Content Technology, Internet and Communication Technology, Internet and Corporation Trade, Information and Communication Technology. Yes, Tanveen, unmute yourself.
Sir, D option, information and communication technology.
Information and Communication Technology. Very right, very correct. Information and Communication Technology. The technology that cater to content-driven fields such as print media, television, radio, publishing industry. Yes, Chaitanya, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, which is the correct
The
option here?
content,
Very
the
right,
content technology.
very right. Content technology. The correct answer is content technology. Good. All right. Examples of convergence technologies are VoIP, smartphone, mobile TV, all above. Yes, Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. All about.
All above. Very right, very correct. All above. SMS stands for short message service, short mail software, socket machine slot, none of the above. Yes, Ishani, unmute yourself.
Sir, A option, short message service.
Short message service. Very right, very correct. It is online journal diary or news column with post in reverse chronological order. Yes, Japji, unmute yourself and give the answer.
Sir, A blog.
Very right. Good response. Blog. Blog is the correct option. All right. Set of instructions is called commands, message, program, data. Yes, Raghav, unmute yourself.
Sir, option C, program.
Program, option C. Very right, very correct. All right. SMS, okay, this is repeated, I think. These are the physical parts of computer: hardware, software, commands, none of the above. Yes, Prabjot, unmute yourself.
Sir, hardware.
Very right, very correct, hardware. So hardware is the physical parts of the computer. Unprocessed raw facts and figures are called. Unprocessed raw facts and figures are called data, information, processing, instructions. Yes, Jia and Janvi, unmute yourself, beta. Jia, Janvi, unmute yourself. Yes, Ishan, unmute yourself and come on the window and give the answer. Ishan.
Yes, sir.
What is the correct answer for the 9th MCQ?
Data.
Data. Unprocessed raw facts and figures is called data. Very right, very correct. Processed form of data is called. Processed form of data is called. Yes, Harshit. Unmute yourself and tell me the correct answer. Harshit Bedi. Unmute yourself and tell me the correct answer for the 10th MCQ. Processed form of data is called data, information, processing, instructions. Unmute yourself.
Sir, processing.
No, it is information.
Sir, information.
The correct answer is information.
Gathi.
Which of the following is or are the functions of computer? Dharya, unmute yourself. Dharya, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, all above.
All above is the correct answer. Very right, very correct. All right. Next is pick the odd one out. Odd one, you understand now? Which looks bit different from the symmetry. Yes, Tushar, first come on the video, then you can give the answer. Tushar, come on the video, then you can give the answer. तुषार पहले वीडियो पे आइए. Yes, Garima, you give the answer. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, D option data.
D option data. Very right, very correct. D option data. What does letter L in ALU stands for? Loyal, legal, landline, logic. Yes, Ishani. Ishani, unmute yourself.
Sir, D logic.
D logic. Very right, very correct. Okay, Lavanya, next answer आप देंगे. Which of the following are the sections of CPU? ALU, control unit, registers?
All of the above.
All of the above. Very good. Good response, Lavanya. All above. It is the part of CPU that stores data temporarily during the execution of the program. Yes, Manya Veet, unmute yourself.
Sir, registers.
Yes, correct answer is registers. Very good, Manya Veet. All right. Which of the following is not a strength of computer? Which of the following is not the strength of computer? Yes, Anshya, unmute yourself.
Zero IQ, second option.
Second option, IQ 0. Very right, very correct. Okay. Which of the following is or are the limitations of computer? Yes, Garima Patel, unmute yourself. Garima, beta, unmute yourself. Am I audible to you, Garima? I think some technical issue is coming. All right, Ishan, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, which of the following is or are limitations of computer?
Lack of decision making power.
Only this is the limitation. Read the other options also, beta. IQ 0.
IQ.
So A option is the,
C option.
yeah, C option. Both A and B. Very right, Ishan. Both A and B. Because both are the limitations. So both A and B. All right. Moving to 18th MCQ. The computer which can be categorized on the basis of operation wise is analog, general purpose, special purpose, none of the above. Yes, Japji, unmute yourself. Japji, unmute yourself, beta. Yes, Gaurav, you unmute yourself and tell me the answer.
Sir, A option analog.
A option, analog. Very right, very correct, Gaurav. All right. Which of the following is or are type of microcomputer? Mobile handheld, embedded, mini computer, mainframe computer. Yes, Anshya, unmute yourself.
Sir, option A, mobile or handheld computer.
Very right, very correct. Mobile or handheld computer. Very good. Good response. These are the computers which are in the form of tiny chips embedded within the circuitry of appliances such as television, washing machines, wristwatches. Yes, Raghav, unmute yourself.
Sir, option B, embedded computer.
Option B, embedded computer. Very right, very correct. All right. Which of the following is an example of mainframe computer? Which of the following is an example of mainframe computer? Yes, Prabjot, unmute yourself and tell me the answer for this question.
Sir, option D, VAX 7500.
VAC 7500. Anybody else? Yes, Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Option A, ICL 39.
ICL 39. VAC 7500 is mini computer, Prabjot. Very right, very correct. All right. Prabjot, you answer this question now, beta. Unmute yourself, bache. Which of the
Sir,
following... Beta, read the question carefully, beta. Read the question, bache. Which of the following is an example of supercomputer? Don't be in a hurry. Be patient, be calm. Read the options. ICL 39, CDC
Sir, both
205.
B and C.
Yes, both B and C. Good. Good response, Prabjot. All right. What does letter D in PDA stands for? Let me give chance to some other child now. Yes, Gurupal. What does letter
Sir,
D
digital.
Digital. Very right, very correct. Digital. All right. Now, RAM stands for... Yes, Tanveen, answer this question.
Random access memory.
Random access memory. Very right, very correct. Random access memory. All right. Next question, I would like to unmute. Let me give chance to some other child so that everybody gets involved. Dhwani, unmute yourself. Yeah, Dhwani is there, I guess. Yes, Dhwani, bete unmute yourself. What is another name of main memory?
Sir, both A and B.
Both A and B. Very good, very right, Dhwani. Good response. Both A and B. Shabash. Good. What is another name of secondary memory? Yes, Jia Janvi, unmute yourself, bete. Am I audible to you both, beta?
Sir, both A and B.
Very good, very nice. Both A and B, very good. External memory, auxiliary memory are the two other names of secondary memory. All right. Unicode represents a character as a group of dash bytes. Group of dash bytes. Tushar, first you come on the video, then only you can give the answer. Yes, Raghav, unmute yourself.
Sir, 1/.
1 byte. Any other child?
Sir, 8 bytes.
Gaurav, unmute yourself.
Sir, 4. A option.
Keep on guessing. Yes, Anshya,
Sir, 2.
2 bytes. Very right, very correct. All right. 1 TB is equals to 1 terabyte. TB. Chaitanya, don't open the notes. This is revision we are doing. Close it. One terabyte is equal to. Okay. Krishna Sani, unmute yourself.
1024 GB.
1024 GB. Very right, very correct. 1024 GB. 1 EB is equal to. 1 EB is equal to. All right. Yes, Kanish, unmute yourself, beta.
Sir, 1024 PB.
1024 petabytes. Very good, very right. Good response, Kanish. Okay. 30th MCQ. Which statement is true for RAM? Read all the statements. You are to tell which statements is true for RAM. It is non-volatile. Data can be read but cannot be written. Permanent in nature. It is volatile in nature. Which statement is true for RAM? Yes. Who will answer this question? Yes, Garima, beta, unmute yourself. D option, it is volatile in nature. Very right, very correct, Garima. Shabash. It is volatile in nature. Good. IAS stands for. IAS stands for. Yes, who will tell the answer? Harshit Bedi, you will try? All right, unmute yourself, Harshit Bedi, give a try. Don't hesitate, beta. Be confident. First of all, unmute yourself. Am I audible to you?
Sir.
Yeah, try it.
C.
Internet access system. Again, read all the options. Immediate access storage, immediate auxiliary storage, internet access system, internet accurate system.
Sir, B.
No, beta, it is A option, immediate access storage. The full form of IAS is immediate access storage. Is it clear, Harshit? All right. Which among the following is the form of CD? Yes, Ishan, unmute yourself. Which of the following is the form of CD?
Sir, all of the above.
All above. CD-ROM, CDR, CDRW. All above. Very right, very correct. All right. Let me see, give chance to other students now. Barbie, are you here in the class? Barbie, roll number 6. Okay, Barbie, am I audible now? Beta, unmute yourself and give the answer to this question. 33 question. Which among the following is the form of DVD? DVD ROM, DVD RAM, DVD RW, both A and C.
A and C.
Very right, very correct, Barbie. Good. Both A and C. Good. All right. Simran, are you there? 46 roll number. Simran, beta, are you here in the lecture? Gia, 28 roll number. Gia, are you here? Okay, beta, unmute yourself and read the 34th MCQ and give the answer. Which among the
following
storage media has the highest storage capacity?
hard disk,
Very right, very correct, Gia. Good response. Hard disk. Very good. All right. Okay, who will try next now? Khwaish Nanda, are you here in the class? Khwaish Nanda, are you here in the lecture? All right, Keshav, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Which among the following has the least capacity? Hard disk, pen drive, floppy disk, DVD.
Sir, option C, floppy disk.
Very right, very good, Keshav. Floppy disk. Good response. All right. Kriti, are you there in the class, bete? Kriti, are you here? Who will give this answer? Okay, Ishani, unmute yourself.
Sir, B option 25 GB to
25 GB to 50 GB. Very correct, very right. 25 GB to 50 GB. Very right, very correct. Good response. All right. Last MCQ. Which among the following storage media is used to back up the files to secure server across internet? Across internet. Yes, who will answer this question? Yes, Anshya, unmute yourself.
Sir, cloud storage.
Very good. Excellent. Cloud storage. Good. Very good. Nice response by 9C.